Since the 1980s, the price of construction in Sweden has risen at an increasing pace, making Sweden the most expensive country in the EU to build in. This development follows the market takeover of the design and build contract. The transfer of power over the building design to the most capable construction companies leads to descending competition, diminishing innovation and ever-increasing prices. The contractors also need to set a price for a project without sufficient information, something that further inflates the price. When designing and constructing a building, the ability to influence the cost decreases as the process progresses. At the same time, the cost of changes grows continuously, and when the construction starts, changes are vastly more expensive than during the design. The design and build tender takes place very early in the process, effectively disabling the real estate developer's possibility to influence the construction cost, since the price is fixed before the design barely has started and before any solutions have been defined. This means that the power of affecting the price and all the possible benefits is now in the hands of the construction company. With a traditional design and build process, the detailed design is done at a late stage and often overlaps the start of construction. Important information is still added at a time when changes are expensive. Designing in BIM, however, can shift the detailed design to an earlier stage in the process, increasing the possibility of influencing the construction cost. With Build Twice, we aim to prolong the peak of BIM design so that it is possible to greatly affect the construction costs throughout the design period. We design the building in great detail to optimize construction cost and minimize potential mistakes during the construction. With Build Twice, it is actually possible to inspect the digital building before the construction even begins. The design and build contracts set the developer's cost at an early stage, decreasing the incentive to engage in a BIM process. Instead, we move the tender decision to a period after the detailed design is completed. This means that the real estate developer keeps the ability to influence the cost. To keep the contractor's ability to innovate the tender can be carried out as a competitive dialogue. Here, contractors are invited during the design process and can suggest their solutions. At the end of the competitive dialogue, the building's digital twin is finished, allowing construction companies to provide adequate prices. All the uncertainties that inflates the price are now gone. Are you curious how we execute Build Twice? Please let us walk you through our 7 stages.